Hi, this is Yogesh Chabria, and I always believe we can learn from everybody, from nature, from every sort of creation. The other day, I saw ants, and there were so many ants. They were going in a line, and they were carrying a dead cockroach. Now, just imagine, just visualize a group of ants carrying a huge dead cockroach. Now, some of you might be grossed out, some of you might think there's nothing much to learn, but even from that, there's so much to learn because these ants were carrying a dead cockroach which was, say, 1,000 times their weight. And they were able to do it because all of them were working together, all of them were helping each other, all of them were collaborating, all of them were working in as a team. None of them wanted their ego to come up. None of them wanted their photo or anything. They just wanted to work together. They will take the dead cockroach, they will eat it together. It will become food, it will become fuel, and it will be something very beautiful and useful for their colony. And if you look at life, if you as a human being, every time you get an opportunity to help somebody, to contribute, to share, if you take that opportunity up, your life becomes so meaningful and useful. Because many times you get chances. Many times people come to me and they say, Yogesh, can you help me with this, or can you help me with that? And if I can, I help. And that act of help, they become there, they thank me for it, they're grateful for it. But I also look at it the other way. I got the opportunity to be of help. I got the opportunity to be of value, and that is a beautiful thing. If you have something, let us say you have a skill, you have time, you have money, you have something, and that skill, time, money, asset, knowledge, whatever you have can help people, now your life has so much more meaning. Now you're doing something beautiful and productive, and there's so much research, and just try it out. Forget the research. Many times I say, forget the research, forget all of it. Just go and try it out. Think about the last time you helped somebody. Think about the last time you did something meaningful and useful for somebody. You will realize just the fact that you can do that generates so much joy and peace and joy, happiness within you. Because human beings, we are designed that way. We are a collaborative species. The way ants are collaborative species, human beings too, we are collaborative. For thousands of years, we've lived in tribes and helped each other. And you need to understand this. So anytime mass media, programming, anytime somebody tells you to be selfish and think only about yourself, that in fact creates so much anger, because you're disconnecting, You're disconnecting from society, you're disconnecting from, the whole. So the next time you get the opportunity, somebody asks you, can you help me? Can you do this for me? Go ahead and try it out. Do it, That's what the Happionaire community is about. Start giving, and the more you give, you will realize how beautiful it is, how much joy it generates with you. And the next time you look at ants carrying a cockroach, don't be grossed out. Learn from it. Everything, the smallest things that you look around you in nature have a lesson in it. Take care. Have a beautiful evening or a day, and I shall see you soon.